Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty nice bounce from the 78% fib level today, as you can see. Really, there's no break of structure, and I would actually call the last really significant structure way up here. Today is the day before interest rate for the US dollar, and about 22 hours or so, we got some very, very important news for the dollar. I'm actually thinking that this may be setting itself up for a short, but we're definitely going to have to reevaluate this tomorrow because sometimes you do get that spike reversal at the news, which, if that gives us the break of structure, I would definitely still take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend, possibly. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. Like I said, I think this is possibly setting itself up for a short at tomorrow's news. If this actually ends up looking something like this tomorrow, right around when the news comes out, I'm definitely going to take it as a short. And then if it just keeps on going, great. If it turns into a spike reversal, then I'll probably get out if it breaks structure to the upside and actually reverse my position and go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But we're definitely going to have to reevaluate this tomorrow closer to the interest rate news. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above. And don't forget to check out my website linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.